Top 6 Best Ergonomic Keyboards, 2021, Gaming Edition. Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best ergonomic keyboards in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent keyboards, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Logitech Ergo K860. Logitech's Ergo K860 is a well-crafted keyboard for sparing your arms and wrists when you work your fingers to the bone. The Ergo K860 is a one-piece split keyboard, or a soft split, I like to call it, to ensure that you don't need to pinch your shoulder blades to push your arms or wrists together. There's a triangular gap between the sets of keys destined for use with your left and right hands. The keyboard's middle also curves upward, so you don't need to twist your wrists to force your fingers to lay flat on the keys. The Logitech is a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. Some ergonomic keyboard buffs prefer a detachable numeric pad, but the K860 is wide enough that the keyboard felt out of the way and didn't compromise my shoulder comfort. With a unibody design, you're making minor compromises around comfort and customization in exchange for ease of use. The keyboard is deceptively broad, at 1.6 by 17.9 by 9.25 inches. It's only an inch wider than the K860. The Ergo K860 comes with the company's unifying dongle, which can connect to multiple Logitech MX devices, so you don't need a second one for a Logitech mouse. It also connects via Bluetooth. Number 2. The Microsoft Sculpt. The Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard is a great office keyboard designed for those prone to repetitive strain injuries. Its split keyboard layout and reverse incline encourage a more natural typing position to relieve pressure on the wrists. Unfortunately, it takes a bit of time to get used to typing on this keyboard, and disposable batteries feel somewhat outdated. Nevertheless, if you tend to spend all day in front of a computer, this keyboard may help prevent any future injuries. The build quality is passable. It's mainly plastic. However, the overall build feels good, and the keyboard doesn't flex. The wrist rest is cushioned with dense foam-like material. The Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard's ergonomics are excellent. Microsoft advises users to use the incline riser, creating a reverse incline to prevent the wrists from bending downwards. The Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard can only be used with its wireless USB receiver. The keyboard uses 2 AAA batteries, and they're included in the box. Number 3. Logitech K350. The Logitech K350 is an old keyboard from around 2004, but it doesn't stop it from being a decent overall keyboard for the office. It has a slightly curved design, making it an ergonomic keyboard that may help with wrist pain if you type for long periods. However, it does feel relatively cheap, and the keystrokes feel very heavy, which seems counterproductive with its ergonomic design. The Logitech K350 has a wave design board for better ergonomics. It also has a fixed wrist rest that feels decently comfortable, and you have 2 incline settings, 4 degrees and 8 degrees. It uses disposable AA batteries. The manufacturer rates the battery life at around 3 years. This keyboard comes with a lot of different extra features. It has dedicated media keys in the center of the upper part of its frame. Also, it features a few shortcut keys for different actions, such as screenshotting, opening up the calculator, or music center. Number 4. The Kinesis Freestyle 2. The Freestyle 2 is the most versatile ergonomic keyboard on the market and is designed to adapt to your body type and preferences to increase your comfort and boost your productivity. Now you can customize the keyboard module's position with adjustable split, splay, and tenting to achieve natural positions for your hands, wrists, and forearms to reduce static muscle tension and strain. You can separate the modules to shoulder width to keep wrists straight. It has a 0-degree slope, integrated palm supports, and eliminates harmful wrist extension. The 10 keyless layout results in a smaller footprint for closer mouse placement to reduce overreach. Tenting enables 5, 10, and 15 degrees to reduce forearm pronation caused by flat keyboards. Number 5. Edesso Trueform 150. The Edesso Trueform 150 is a good keyboard for office use. It has a split keyboard design with a built-in wrist rest aimed at better ergonomics. Several media keys are on top, but not all of them are compatible with Mac OS and Linux systems. The rubber dome switches are quiet for an office environment. The typing quality is relatively good, and it's easy to make typos with. However, there's multicolor backlighting with 3 different colors. The illuminated backlit keyboard lets you choose your backlit color with one essential touch and easily adjust the brightness up, down, or off to suit your personal preference and mood. The gentle illumination allows you to work comfortably, day or night, while easing eye strain. Now you can see the correct keys in any environment. Play or work from dusk until dawn at your desk, study, or in the bedroom without disturbing others. Control your media player and browse the internet with just one essential touch, using the built-in multimedia and internet hotkeys for easy access to your favorite media or website. Membrane key switches provide better tactile response and a quieter typing experience. Number 6. Obvious Solutions. The Obvious Solution foldable full-size keyboard facilitates an efficient typing experience. It is responsive to light touch keystrokes and is rechargeable with an extended lasting battery capacity. The keyboard allows you to position your hands and arms ergonomically. Bring this excellent wireless keyboard anywhere, anytime. It's slim, light, and foldable, so you can bring it on the go or set it up in your office or home within moments. Be productive and connect it easily with paired devices. It's a keyboard with a touchpad, so there's no need for a wireless mouse or portable mouse. This miniature keyboard can be used as a laptop keyboard, tablet keyboard, or phone keyboard, with universal compatibility. It also allows connection with up to 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.